Just landed in India and feeling completely overwhelmed? You're not alone. The next 48 hours can make or break your entire trip, so let me show you exactly how to nail your first 2 days like a pro. Hey travelers, those first 48 hours in India are crucial. Get them right, and you'll feel confident and ready for an amazing adventure. Get them wrong, and you'll spend days recovering from rookie mistakes. I'm going to walk you through everything from the moment you step off that plane to your first proper night's sleep in India. First challenge, getting from the airport to your accommodation safely and without getting ripped off. Here's your game plan. Download Uber and Ola apps before you land. They work in all major Indian cities and show you the exact fare up front. No haggling, no confusion. If the apps aren't working, head to the prepaid taxi counter inside the airport. Never negotiate with random drivers who approach you. The prepaid counter gives you a receipt with a fixed price. Pro tip, screenshot your hotel address in both English and the local language. This saves so much confusion with drivers. Next priority, getting connected. You'll need a local SIM card for maps, translation apps, and calling taxis. Best options are Airtel or Jio. You'll find official stores in every airport. Bring your passport and a passport photo. They're required for registration. The process takes 10-15 minutes, and your SIM activates within a few hours. Don't panic if it doesn't work immediately. While you wait, most hotels and cafes have decent Wi-Fi. Money talk, this is important. ATMs are everywhere, but use ones attached to major banks like SBI, HDFC, or ICICI. They're safer and more reliable. Withdraw larger amounts less frequently to minimize fees. Always have small bills, 10, 20, and 50 rupee notes. Nobody ever has change in India. Avoid currency exchange at the airport unless it's an emergency. City exchange counters give much better rates. Hotel check-in tip, keep your passport handy. Every hotel needs to register foreign guests. This is normal, don't worry. First thing in your room, check the water situation. Use bottled water for brushing teeth too, not just drinking. Popular safe brands are Bisleri, Kinley, and Aquafina. Set your room temperature cooler than you think you need. Indian heat hits differently and you want good sleep on night one. Your first meal sets the tone for everything. Start conservative. Hotel restaurants are your safest bet for day one. They cater to international guests and won't shock your system. Avoid street food, raw salads, and tap water ice for at least your first week. I know it's tempting, but trust me on this one. Order something mild like dal, rice, and naan. Ask for less spicy, they'll still make it spicier than you expect. Before day one ends, handle these basics. Register with your embassy if staying long-term. Download Google Translate with Hindi offline mode. Buy a local phone charger if needed. Indian plugs are different. Most importantly, get a good night's sleep. Jet lag plus culture shock is exhausting. Don't try to see everything on day one. Nail these first 48 hours and you'll feel like an India veteran instead of a confused tourist. The key is taking it slow, staying hydrated, and not overwhelming yourself. What was your biggest challenge in your first days in India? Share your stories in the comments. And if this video helped calm your pre-trip nerves, smash that like button and subscribe for more India travel guides. Next up, I'm showing you how to safely enjoy Indian street food without getting sick. You won't want to miss it.